smoothing conversations, in case, statements in English offers. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic: using in case statements to make indirect offers. This kind of statement is an essential tool to make your English conversations smoother and more natural. It allows you to offer help or make suggestions in a more subtle and friendly manner. So, let's get started. Before we explore how to make offers with in case statements, it's crucial to understand what in case means in the English language. Typically, we use in case to express the idea of being prepared for something that might happen in the future. It's all about thinking ahead and being ready for possible situations. Here is an example. I brought an umbrella, in case it rains. In this sentence, in case is used to express the idea of being prepared for the possibility of rain. Now, let's look at how we can use in case to make indirect offers. When we offer help or make suggestions with in case, we are offering assistance for a situation that could occur in the future. It's a way to express our willingness to help, without putting the other person on the spot. Let's consider a few examples. Example 1. I'll leave some extra money, in case you want to order pizza later. Here, we're offering to leave money for a potential future situation where the person might want to order pizza. Example 2. I'll keep my phone on, in case you need to call me. In this statement, we're offering our availability if the person needs to contact us. Using in case to offer help or suggestions can be a powerful tool in your English language toolkit. Here are a few tips to make it even more effective. 1. Be specific. The more specific you are with the possible future scenario, the more helpful your offer will be. 2. Be genuine. Only make an offer if you genuinely mean it. It's important to be sincere when using in case statements. And that wraps up our lesson on using in case to make indirect offers in English. I hope you find this tool helpful in making your English conversations more smooth and natural. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to incorporate these in case offers into your daily conversations. Keep learning and keep practicing. Until next time, happy English learning!